we're going to get the next few lectures into the Introduction to Rails. So, Chapter 4, Intro to Rails. We're going to do today is going to be a pretty quick whirlwind tour of Rails as a framework. We're going to review Model View Controller. We're going to spend a lot of time talking about Active Record, which is the framework within Rails for how we persist and interact with a database. We're going to spend time looking at models, objects in our database that we call resources, and resource-oriented routes. So when we talked about RESTful design, we're going to see a bunch of that. And we're going to continually sort of revisit this. We're going to talk about a concept, do some demo, explore what's going on there. And throughout the way, we'll talk about comparing Rails into Sinatra. So a little bit of a warning as we work on a framework like Rails is Rails, like all bits of software, changes over time. Sometimes this is frustrating, but it's a really good thing because the APIs tend to improve. It's not just bugs getting fixed, but it's new features being added. And so sometimes there are small but important changes in APIs over time. So the lecture slides will try and highlight where those changes might have happened recently. There will occasionally be differences in versions or function names between versions of Rails or between one version and something that you see in the chips. So don't focus on memorizing every single API. I will call those out where I know about them, but focus on the big picture. The fundamentals here have not changed. And because they're fundamentals, because they're built on decades of experience, they're not likely to change even if a specific method name changes a little bit over time.